With the recent COVID-19 outbreak, now more than ever, it's important to know how to sanitize your phone.
The CDC predicts that up to 480 million people will become infected with the virus. 96 million people could be hospitalized, and around 480,000 people could die from this virus. Today we're at the Mishawaka store location. I'm here with Adam, and he's going to show us how we are properly sanitizing devices both when they come in and also when they go out. Scientists say that bacteria and viruses can live up to 12 hours on objects before they find a host. So the very first step that we are doing at Genius Phone Repair is making sure that our trays that handle the devices is properly sanitized. Be careful which household cleaner you decide to use to clean your device. Certain household chemicals like 409 multi-service can actually cause more harm than good due to the bleach that it contains. Scientists suggest that isopropyl alcohol 60% or above is your best choice in cleaning your phone and also not damaging it in the process. Adam's going to demonstrate this by spraying this cloth 2 or 3 times and then wiping down the front and the back of the phone. It's important that you do not spray directly onto the device as it can cause liquid damage. The next step is to fix your device. After every device repair, we always fully post-test it and make sure that the cameras, microphone, charging port, and every single function of the phone is working as it should. One additional measure we've added to this process is we will now start cleaning the device the same as we did when the phone first came in. Adam's now going to demonstrate that with the exact same way that we sanitized it on its way in. Hello, my name is Matt. I'm here to pick up my phone.
Here you go, it's all fixed up and sanitized for you.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, no problem, have a good one.
Thanks. Alrighty folks, you've seen behind the scenes what we're doing here at Genius Phone Repair to sanitize your device. In addition to what we showed you both when a phone is coming in and when a phone is going out, we also offer a deeper device cleanup service. How that works is we'll open your phone and we'll do a deep cleaning of all the dirt, grime, and bacteria that gets caught in there. Sometimes people that work construction or working outside, their phones get really, really dirty. We'll open it up, we'll clean it out, make sure that all of your ports are clean, charging ports, earphone, etc. That service is only $19.99, and included in that, we're gonna throw in some cleanser. It's about a $9.99 value, and it's an antibacterial cleanser, and it includes one of those microfiber cloths we talked about earlier. So everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today for this Tech Tuesday segment. Stay tuned next week for more previews on what's coming next.